how to set default notification sound to silent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. So you will see sound and vibration is here. So click on sound and vibration. Now here, so click on notification sound. So after click on notification sound, so if you want to set default notification sound or silent, so if you want to set silent, so click on silent. So you will see notification sound is set on silent. So if you want to set sound, so you will see select sound from here. So after select sound, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set default notification sound to silent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.